There's a place downtown where the freaks all come around. It's a hole in the wall.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Imelda Diva Laksita from major chemical engineering. I will describe my friend. She is my friend from school. Her name is Yesi Putri Saraswati. We have been friends for 3 years. She is pretty, friendly, smart, bold, and dignified. She came from a military family. His father was a soldier and his mother was a housewife. My crazy with her was so much more fun. We also copy the frequency whenever we meet. We always eat together and were to be together. She worked at 17 years old. He opened his online and goes well. Then he opened his own business and also successful. He was passionate and he made me miss that job and his love, and she was toward me. Anyway, she's the best partner. I'm proud for have a friend like Yesi because she feel his kinship exists. I'm proud of you. Always success is Yesi. In my house, there is a type of Persian cat named Owl. Owl is my only pet cat. Owl has a pretty spoiled nature. He really likes to be touched gently while sleeping on my lap. Since the first time, the owl was very tame and kind. This cat has thick white hair, very smooth and shiny. From head to tail is white. Its tail is very long, and when it walks around, her eyes were bright blue. His mustache expressed the elegant impression on his face. When I was studying, he would accompany me while licking his father's. If he asked for food, he would likely bite into my leg or hand, as if taking me to a place to eat. Owl has hobby of eating. Owl portion of food is even greater than mine. The food he likes the most is cheddar cheese. Owl also really likes milk. Unfortunately, I often give him packet food. I do this only to reduce costs because the price of cheese is more expensive than the price of packet food. Body was always very fat and full. Our nose was very fat. Even his nose was barely visible and was obscured by his quite chubby face. Every morning he always woke me up by stroking his hand. My feet. Owl was a present from my grandmother for my 17 years old birthday. And first I don't like the gift, but after getting to know all of our state become fond of him. He is actually classification and quit cat and does not act much. That's why I like so much Owl. The city of Surabaya is my hometown. Although he really lived in Surabaya from childhood, he was very happy and proud to be born in this city of heroes. I turned to live in Surabaya again from the age of 12 years old because my father is no longer working in Kalimantan. Living in Surabaya is very delicious. Besides, there are special food from Surabaya. In Surabaya, there are many tourist spots to Kota Surabaya. Is the hero city that is location in the East Java Island. It is in the East Java province that close to Madura, Strain, and Java Sea. Kota Surabaya is also the capital city of East Java, which is the governance center. There is the governor office there. Besides, Surabaya is also being the economic center of East Java. There are a lot of factories there, so the society can work is some favorite profession in Surabaya. We can visit to Tanjung Perak Harbor. It is because there are some industries in Surabaya. There is also international airport in Surabaya, Juanda International Airport. Surabaya is famous as the city of heroes because of its highly factor in the structure of arek-arek Surabaya to maintain the independence of the nation of Indonesia from the colonialists. In the past, I was always invited by my father and mother to see elephant. I am very happy. So from that, I know the description of the elephant. Elephant are the larynx terrestrial mammalia in the world. Elephant are mammalia because elephant give birth. The special feature of the first elephant is that it has a length of body. Therefore, his legs are length because it adapts to the size of his body to support a very length elephant body. Secondly, it is ear are very wide to maintain body temperature and as a means of communication with elephant and elephant. The third has a very long tongue to suck water to drink. The fourth, elephant has brown skin mixed with very thick gray to protect its body from sunburn. Therefore, the elephant maintains the cleanliness of its body by bathing in dust and moon regularly. The last elephant has the uniqueness of having fangs. Elephant fangs are the first growing teeth to appear. Elephant ivory have many benefits to help feed full brain from tears of the roots. Ivory is also a decisive tool in battle. Elephants are animals that eat a lot, so the body of an elephant is ranked because it eat a lot. Elephants are herbivora animal. Elephant food include leaf, twigs, root, and fruit. Elephants like to live in group to protect their fellow elephant. Elephants like to live close to water because elephants often drink, like to battle and have fun. Elephants are protect animal. Elephants usually live in lowland, swamp, forest, and zoo. Elephant population is very important. Do not become the elephant population decrease by below. Rujak cingur is one of the traditional food that is made from a mixture of materials such as cucumber, pineapple, and so on. This particular food is rich of a mixture of ingredients as it contains several vegetable, fruit, and ingredients. The rujak cingur is one of the food. The rujak cingur is made of charred fruit, cucumber, peach, mango, pineapple, and vegetable material like sprout, and long beans. And to this, the various supplementary materials such fried tempe, cingur, and tahu into the small fish and is put into the plate. Then the mixture is seasoning, pete, sugar, chili, and fried beans, salt, biomass, bananas, and ingredient and sauce of apple. The normal rujak cingur presentation use only the material like the above are. As for the rujak cingur match, it consists only of such material: fried tempe, pendoyo, vegetable, different ingredient, but the seasoning sauce the same, so the taste much different. The taste the rujak cingur is almost like a salad, but what is the material that using fruit and beans beside that ketchup sweet so far give a special favor to this rujak cingur. Beside the cute taste from cingur, certainly give the thrill when we eat rujak cingur ala Surabaya. Thank you, Memira. Thank you for attention video. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.